Welcome back to our Saturday walk in the nature. So start at the back of the car and moaning because she want to jump. We are heading to Northmore local nature reserve just down the hill by Denham. Is it Denham? Alright. Duh. Yeah. Yeah, sa theater. Here, Baba. Oh, Star do not pull me. Once I come on, yeah, it's okay. There are stones, so it's not slippery. It's not that slippery. Just be careful. There are stones, babe. It's not that slippery. You scared? You're old. Why you are like that? You go in this side. Oh dear. You're not adventurous. You're not an outdoor man then. I don't want to go down the hill. Ah. Oh. Okay. Ooh. I read there. In this side, oh. 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 Yes. So you're coming off. Oh. You need a stick? Maybe here, oh. We cut some woods. There's one big here, but I think it's old. Wow, there's a trail in here. See a trail? Oh, that's very tall here. Here on this side. That's very deep in there. Oh, oh wow. Oh, it's really clean here. They do camping. They do camping here. Wow. Wow. It's very clean, huh? It's nice. Oh. So where is that thing going? How can we go in the ladder? We need to go up there, oh. Here's the step. So we go back. I come this way. There's a trail here. Look, we cannot go in there. Coming in. There is like a. What's that? Huh? Flint? For what? Stone? Oh. Oh, like a crystal stone. You see?
It's flint.
You wash it.
You can make fire with it.
Okay, bring that then. Wanna bring that? Oh no.
Big in it.
Yeah, this should be a small one. Oh, mushroom. Mushroom over there. God, my nose. My nose is not nosing. Come on here, Baba. You come first, Baba. Come on. Good job. How? How can we go there? There's no way. It might be no, we cannot go in it. We cannot go there. It's like a private property. Is it? Ah, no. Oop. Here, Baba. Oop. No. Come on. Wow. Look at that beautiful nose. Wait, Star. What happened? So we went that. Go away. We'll come back. What you got? What? Can make light of that? Huh? What's that for? Oh. Okay. Can you carry on, Star? Good girl. She's a good girl. You alright? Come on in. Come on, Star. Going back to the car. So, that is the record that we took a picture earlier. Going back to the Star is having a hard time. Oh no. So how can we go there? I know. Oh no. Start going back. Come on. We cannot. We cannot. It's not finished. Oh, slowly. Oh. Oop. Oop. Whew, what a day. Aray ka. Come on, girl. You can do it. That's a stone. Limestone.
Chalk.
A chalk.
So you can.
You can write. Write Bluey. Let me write Bluey and start. 2025. Wait there. Okay. Bluey. Star. Oh my god. Oh. Come on, Mama. What's up? Look at that. Making chucks. Are we coming this way? Or going back? We can come this way, going back to the car. The truck. Come on, son. See? Look at your GPS. Where? In there? Yeah, because it's slippery in there. So we get this truck here. It's really nice how they do this. In it, the logs. Look at that. Monster. So when you are walking, especially if it's really slippery like this, you need a stick. Oh, you need a walking stick. Oh my god, and a nice boots. If you don't have a nice boots or a nice shoes, you will be fucked, honestly. So invest for your gear before going for this kind of shit. Oh my god. Local people do this and put this thing to prevent soil erosion, to protect the hill from eroding. So it's like the local council that runs these woods do this. So it's very nice. Reserved, I mean. We're not lucky today to see some birds because they might migrated somewhere else warmer for them. So maybe we will gonna come back in summertime. Yeah, we're heading back to the car and have a cup of coffee. So these are the silver birch tree. Loads of them. And the branch of the silver birch can be used to start a fire because of the natural oil from the bark of the tree itself. So here is a silver birch, so it's easy to pull the branch. Oh, it's like that. Yeah. So you can keep this one even if this is wet, soaking wet. You can still light it. We are heading back to Bluey. That's Bluey.